Blessed love to all my viewers and subscribers. Welcome to my program, Jamaican Tory, a Fewy Business. This is a program that I have created which focuses on all things Jamaican that we Jamaicans, whether living abroad or in Jamaica, should know. With that being said, let's move right into this story. This one is called Jamaican People. When you go to Jamaica, make sure say when you go to Duns River Falls, you carry your Jamaican ID. So if you have your Jamaican passport, make sure you carry it. Or if you have a Jamaican driver's license, make sure you carry it. Or if you have your Jamaican national ID, make sure you carry something to show them say you are Jamaican. I mean, I go want to know again. Listen to this.
The police are probing a ticket racket at the Duns River Falls and Park that is believed to be resulting in millions of dollars in losses. UDC auditors have conducted a probe to determine if staff were selling tickets to tourists at Jamaican rates and benefiting from the difference.
Hi! This is not a laughing matter, but this story really make me happy laugh. People, we all know how few Jamaican people them stay. Anywhere there's a fish head, few people them now go hesitate to receive it. And listen to this now. How many of you did know that when you go to the Duns River Falls in St. Ann, there is a Jamaican rate, which is the rate for Jamaican nationals who produce their Jamaican ID, and there is also an overseas rate for overseas nationals. Let me educate and edu-liberate you. For those of you who didn't know and who want to go to Jamaica and go pay US dollar in our own country, make me tell you this. You better listen up to this now. So the current rate to enter into Duns River Falls and Park attractions in Ocho Rios, St. Anne's, Jamaica. For Jamaican nationals, it's 1,000 Jamaican. For children, it's 500. And listen, remember I told you, you cannot just turn up at the gate and say you is Jamaican. So you need to produce your Jamaican ID. With your Jamaican national ID, those rates will apply. If you not carry your Jamaican national ID, you are going to pay the overseas rate, which is 23 US dollars for foreign nationals who are adults and 15 US dollars for children. I hope you listened and you listened to me good, because I don't just talk the talk, I walk the walk. And that was another edition of Jamaican Tory by me, Real Empress Yuda. And remember now, Jamaican Tory, a Fewy Business. I would like you now to fill up the comment section. Let me know what you think about this program, another creation by me, Real Empress Yuda. Let me know if you knew anything at all about this foreign rate and this Jamaican rate at Duns River Falls. Let me also know if you knew that when you're going to Duns River Falls, you need to carry your ID, your Jamaican ID that is, because the foreign one not going to work. With that being said, I leave you with love, light, and upful energies. I'm out now. Blessed love, Real Empress Yuda.
I wish my name was a disease. Like kids, I know you be catch it. Them a study we not study them. Them a dirty and the tire on me van them. Chant a psalms a day, run the wicked away.